Welcome to Irle Kay Jay Rolls Private Limited, a dynamic joint venture established in 2007 between Irle Rolls, Germany and Kay Jay Rolls, India. This strategic partnership blends cutting-edge technology with over 200 years of experience of Irle Group of Germany, creating a premier manufacturing facility dedicated to crafting high-quality mill rolls and machines for diverse industries. Nestled amidst the serene and unpolluted environs of Barwala and Panchkula, 250 kilometers north of India's bustling capital, New Delhi. Our facility optimizes modernity and innovation. Here, we are driven by a singular mission to deliver excellence in every roll we produce. The grades and quality of our rolls are manufactured to the stringent specifications of Irle Rolls, ensuring they meet the highest international standards of quality. Our stringent quality control checks at all stages of manufacturing process results in each roll being crafted as a tool of perfection. Irle Kay Jay Rolls is continuously innovating, developing and upgrading its existing products and creating new solutions to ensure the lowest total cost of ownership for our valued customers. Our R&D department, in collaboration with Irle Rolls in Germany, drives us towards this goal of excellence. In 2008, we established a new greenfield foundry equipped with the machinery and equipment from Germany, other European countries and the USA. Our melting capacity includes 3 electric induction furnaces with a casting capacity of 10 metric tons of molten metal for a single piece of casting, supported by advanced testing facilities such as atomic emission spectrometers and gas analyzers, etc. We specialize in manufacturing a wide range of rolls for industries including oilseed crushing, flour milling, animal feed milling, confectionery, rubber, paper and steel. Our casting facilities feature numerically controlled spin casting machines capable of handling rolls up to 1000 mm in diameter. Our modern machine shop is equipped with the latest CNC turning, milling, grinding, fluting machines with the latest testing and quality control equipment to ensure the highest accuracy and precision of all our products to achieve best and consistent quality of our products. At Irle Kay Jay Rolls, our dedicated team ensures your satisfaction and success with every roll we deliver. Experience the difference with Irle Kay Jay Rolls, where innovation meets precision and excellence is our standard. Irle Kay Jay Rolls, driving industries forward by rolling with precision and commitment.